Hello students, how are you all? I think you all are well. Today we are going to learn about what is computer. Computer क्या होता है? Computer is an electronic device that helps us to make our work easy. Computer एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरण है जो हमें अपना काम आसान बनाने में मदद करता है. Now you can say that in our home there are several type of machine and computer is also an electronic device or electronic machine that helps us to make our work easy. You can see the computer in your school, in hospital, in bank, in shopping, in several areas for different purpose. In this video, we are going to learn about what is the computer and what are the main parts of computer in detail. Okay. Now, you can see the full form of computer. What is the full form of computer? Common operating machine particularly used for technical education and research. This is the full form of computer. C stands for common, O stands for operating, M stands for machine, P stands for particularly, U stands for used for, T stands for technical, E stands for education and R stands for research. Okay, this is the full form of computer and you must know what is the full form of computer because we have used in different areas for different purposes. Okay, now I think you know well what is the full form of computer. Okay, now look at the picture on your screen. This is the picture of parts of a computer. You can compare the parts of computer with human body. Okay, like in our body different types of parts like our eyes, head, nose, our legs for different purposes. Like in the computer, there are different parts for different purposes. You can see the picture of monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. These are the basic parts of computer and are used for different purpose and you can see in detail. Okay, now look at the picture. These are the main parts of computer system. First one is monitor, second one is CPU, third one is keyboard and fourth one is mouse. Okay, you can see the picture of TV in your home. Like that, monitor is also a TV screen. You can see the all output in your monitor. CPU, its work is like brain of human body. Like our brain is working for storage, for decision making. CPU is also working like that. Keyboard is an input device by which you can enter the numbers and alphabets. Okay, this is the input device. And mouse is also, we can say, the input device and its another name is pointing device because we can point out on the monitor as you wish. Okay, so these are the four basic parts of computer system. First one is monitor, second one is CPU, third one is keyboard and fourth one is mouse. Now we are going to learn about in detail for the different parts of computer. Now look at the picture of monitor. This is the picture of monitor and what are the functions of monitor? It's look like a TV screen. As you know, monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows all the work done by us. हम लोग जो भी काम करते हैं, आप इनपुट करते हैं या आपका डाटा शो होता है, ये सारा कहाँ आप देख सकते हैं? अपने मॉनिटर पे. It displays the result. As for example, if you are going to multiply 2 into 2, then where it is displayed? On the monitor. So it is called output device and it displays the result, and you can say it displays all data and information. That's why it is called the output device. Now look at the picture of CPU. You know well, its full form is Central Processing Unit, and CPU is called the brain of computer. You know well, it helps computer to think and do all its work. If CPU is not connected with your computer, then computer cannot do any type of work. Okay, so this is the essential part of your computer. CPU, you know well कि if you have not brain, like in human body, if you have not brain, then you are not going to do any type of work. Like that, if we are going to input in the system and if you have not CPU, then computer cannot work any type of task. So CPU is the essential part of computer. Okay, now it's time to know about what is the keyboard. Okay, keyboard is also an essential part of your computer system. कीबोर्ड भी आपका कंप्यूटर का एक एसेंशियल पार्ट है. अगर आपके पास कीबोर्ड नहीं है तो आप किसी भी तरह का एंट्री नहीं कर सकते हैं. एज यू नो, कीबोर्ड इज एन इनपुट डिवाइस. कीबोर्ड कैसा डिवाइस है? इनपुट डिवाइस है. बाय द हेल्प ऑफ कीबोर्ड we can input letters and numbers. Okay, letters, as you know, like your name, and numbers like your roll number, your admission number. These are the form of numbers. So you can see the use of keyboard on your monitor. It is used to type letters and number. We are going to learn about keyboard in detail in another video. Okay, now this is the interesting part of your computer. This is mouse. You see the mouse in your home like that. Computer has also a mouse that has a tail. Okay, and like mouse, it is also work with the help of tail, and we are going to learn about mouse in detail. Okay, now look at the picture of different parts of a mouse. There are three main parts of a mouse. What are these? First one is left button, second one is scroll wheel, and third one is right button. Left button is used for left click. Second one, scroll wheel, that is used for scroll up and down. And third one is right button, that is used for right click. Okay, so these are the three parts of a mouse, and you can use these parts for different purposes. Now it's time to recall our today's study. Okay, look at this picture. These are the main parts of computer system. First one is monitor. This is an output device. Second one is CPU. This is your processing device. Third one is keyboard, that is input device. And fourth one is mouse. This is also an input device and a pointing device. So these are the main parts of computer system. I hope you are able to know what is computer and what are the main parts of computer system by the help of this video. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe it. Okay, thank you.